Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. And things have changed very, very quickly and very drastically. I still remember Wednesday, the 31st, we were still relatively bullish. We lost some momentum, and when we talked about that back then as well, but I did not expect a drop like this. And I think in general, like I did expect a drop into 160 and 155 potentially. But I did not expect us to drop down below that. So yeah, but the thing is that right now what you see, and that's also a good reminder of how important the market is. All right, what we saw is that Solana was very strong, right? So Solana had a lot of momentum. The network was growing. The network was doing great. And then apart from that, we also saw that Solana against Bitcoin was doing great. But then. Mainly after what we saw yesterday, but it was already going on for the last couple of days, we got some macroeconomic scares. All right, so basically what we got yesterday after some unemployment numbers, in combination with all the other bearish fundamentals we already had with the tension in the Middle East, etc., that caused the market to get a big sell-off. All right, and that has an effect. And yesterday we already knew that Solana against Bitcoin wasn't as strong anymore as it was before. So what that means is that you'll turn bearish, all right? If the market turns bearish, which I think has happened now, and Solana loses its edge, which basically was that it was stronger than Bitcoin, so it lost that, the markets are bad, so now we have turned bearish with Solana as well. The main level, and right now we're pretty zoomed out, the main level we broke above, which was significant, was this level between 164 and 155. And now on the daily, on the 12-hour, on the 4-hour, we've dropped down below that. So I don't see any reason why we would reclaim that. All right, it's unfortunate, but that is the truth for me right now. All right, there's no relative strength from Solana. There's no momentum. Well, there is some momentum, but it's mostly shorts being opened. So there's no real buying momentum. And the market, look, the one thing that needs to happen is that the market needs to strengthen. So we need to get some numbers that say like, all right, well, maybe we're not getting into a recession. That's what we need. All right, and then maybe we can break back above that very important level right there between 155 and 164. For now, I'm much more tempted to. I do think we'll find some stability here. For now, I'm much more tempted to, when we actually get into that level again, that I will short. All right, so if we get back into 160, 164, unless we get some very positive macroeconomic news, I will short from there. All right, I think technically the breakout is too big in combination with the fundamentals to assume we're going to reclaim that and turn bullish again. I think now it's more likely that we'll drop down at least into 140, which is the next support level we have. Right here at the 200 EMA, as you can see. At least 140, and like I said, if there's no change in the macroeconomic circumstances for Bitcoin, then we'll also drop down lower into 125 again, and from there we'll see again. We might even drop down lower, but no, I've shifted bearish on Solana. Things have changed, so be prepared. Be prepared for more drawdown. And if anything happens in the fundamental landscape, I will tell you. All right, so keep an eye on the Solana updates for that. But for now, like I said, it's this seems most likely. So those are my thoughts. It's the weekend, so the weekend can be a little bit stable. Don't get trapped in the weekend. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So have a great weekend. Take care and bye.